Welcome back to my channel. It's the next part of the Polo project. The car now has an MoT on it, so there's some things I need to do before I sell it. I've got my new screenwash pump, so I'll just get the wheel arch liner out. All I need to do is take the bottom 4 screws out, turn the wheel in so I can get to the washer pump. And I'm losing fluid out the washer bottle. So I'll just stick the new one to get the grommet out. Let's see, grommet out. Just make sure this goes into the same as long way it can go. And this one has a new grommet. Right, now that's everything reconnected. And the old one, that one was just leaking, so there's no point doing out with it, so I'll just get it refilled up and we'll test it out. Fitted it and I filled the screen wash, so we'll just see if it's working. So ignition on. Yes, and we have working screen wash at the front. Now I think the back one might be fixed as well, so we'll go around the back and see if that's working. Unfortunately that doesn't seem to be working, so there might be a blockage somewhere, but I fixed the problem, the screen washer stopped leaking, so that will help to sell the car and get a good price for it. Now it's time to wash the car, and these are the things I'm going to use. I'm going to start off with the Demon Foam, and it has a little gun that you clip onto your hose, and there's my tyre shine, just to make the tyres look a bit more presentable. My wheel brush, just to agitate the dirt in the wheels. Microfiber mitt, again to agitate the foam and the paintwork. And lastly, a chamois to dry off once I've pressure washed it. And this is a pressure washer down there, I'll be using that to rinse it all off. So I need to move the car outside so I can wash it. I can't do it in the garage, not unlike some YouTubers. So you can see better. Can you see all right? Yep, right. I'm gonna start with the snow foam. chamois to clean it off. Not to clean it off, to get all the water off. Already clean. There's just one more thing to come on board, so I can say. The tyre walls. Okay, I'm going to give it a vac in as well, because probably accumulated a bit more muck since I last vacuumed it, so I'll do that off camera. I'm going to wrap it up for this video. I just need to take some pictures and put it up for sale. I was going to stick it on eBay, but I think I might be able to sell it without having to do that, which has saved me a few quid. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and please remember to like and subscribe. Comments and questions, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.